Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first concrete actions. Install Python 3, 8 or newer and ensure pip works. Once done, pick the database type, SQLite for lightweight local tests versus PostgreSQL/MySQL for production. Next, install the appropriate connector package so Python can talk to the DB. Create a project folder and a virtual environment, activate it, and open your editor. Make sure to create a credentials file or environment variables now to avoid hard-coding secrets later. You now write the core code that defines the schema and manages connections. First, open a connection object using the connector and pass credentials from environment variables. Once connected, get a cursor or session. Then, define your tables with Create Table SQL or map classes using an ORM like SQL Alchemy. This documents structure and relationships. Execute schema creation inside a transaction. Commit when successful and roll back on exceptions. Make sure to wrap connections in context managers so resources are closed automatically. You finish by implementing CRUD operations and validating them with tests. Write parameterized insert, select, update, and delete statements, or use ORM session methods to prevent injection. Once done, run unit tests against a test database or within isolated transactions. After tests pass, add migrations for schema changes and deploy connection settings securely. If something goes wrong, check the connection string first, then confirm migrations ran and DB user permissions. If errors persist, enable driver debug logging to inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.